It's a new year and students are back in school. KSL specialist Morgan Wolf breaks down the new state guidelines now being applied for in-person learning.
Many of our school districts with in-person learning have been impacted by COVID-19 in some shape or form, including Granite School District that has had 8 of their high schools that have had to be dismissed at some point because of the COVID threshold. Now, the new recommendations from the state are hoping to ease this schedule switching burden. It's a fresh start to the year with a fresh set of updates to COVID-19 protocols.
We believe keeping kids in schools it's actually safer for them.
Ben Horsley with the Granite School District says that the new recommendations will have a positive impact on regulating the district's schedules.
It's not necessary to send kids home when they're not getting sick.
A big change is dropping the quarantine from 14 to 10 days. Also, students don't have to isolate if they are not symptomatic after mask-to-mask exposure.
Dismissals have only occurred in Granite School District at the high school level.
Instead of a 15-case threshold statewide, schools with more than 1,500 students and employees can remain open until 1% of that population is diagnosed.
Yeah, we've had to field a handful of individual concerns here or there, and we're happy to do so. At the end of the day, we want to make sure our teachers feel safe just as much as our students and our families.
When Utah leaders announced these changes in December, they said that they were supported by data. However, Utah Education Association's president did not agree with them. Heading into 2021 with the goal to stay in schools physically and safely.
We do value the tremendous work being done by our teachers in classrooms and in person.
Utah state leaders say these are only recommendations and they can't force a school district to exactly follow these new protocols. But all of the ones that I talked to today say that they will be. In South Salt Lake, Morgan Wolf, KSL 5 News.